As we age, maintaining a clean and safe bathroom becomes increasingly important for our overall well-being. A tidy bathroom not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of our homes, but also plays a crucial role in preventing accidents and promoting hygiene. For seniors, a clean bathroom can significantly reduce the risk of slips and falls, which are common hazards in this space. However, cleaning tasks can present unique challenges for older adults. Physical limitations, such as reduced mobility, strength, and flexibility, can make it difficult to reach certain areas or perform tasks that require bending or stretching. Additionally, seniors may face fatigue more quickly, making it hard to complete cleaning chores in one go. These challenges can lead to a sense of overwhelm when it comes to maintaining a clean bathroom, which is why it's essential to adopt practical strategies that simplify the process. In this guide, we will explore 8 easy tips specifically designed to help seniors tackle bathroom cleaning with ease and efficiency. These tips will focus on methods that require minimal physical exertion while maximizing cleanliness and safety. By implementing these straightforward strategies, seniors can create a more manageable cleaning routine that not only keeps their bathroom sparkling, but also ensures a safer environment. Whether it's using the right tools, establishing a cleaning schedule, or employing simple techniques to reduce the frequency of deep cleaning, these tips will empower seniors to take control of their bathroom maintenance. Ultimately, the goal is to foster independence and confidence in managing household tasks, allowing seniors to enjoy their living spaces without the stress of overwhelming cleaning duties. So, let's dive into these practical bathroom cleaning tips that will make the task easier and more enjoyable for seniors. Closing the toilet lid before flushing is a simple yet crucial habit that can significantly impact hygiene and health, particularly for seniors. When the toilet is flushed, a phenomenon known as toilet plume occurs, where tiny droplets of water, along with bacteria and germs, are propelled into the air. These microscopic particles can travel several feet, landing on surfaces throughout the bathroom, including sinks, countertops, and even toothbrushes. This spread of bacteria can pose serious health risks, especially for older adults whose immune systems may be compromised. I remember a time when I visited a family member who had recently undergone surgery. Despite their efforts to maintain a clean home, I noticed that the bathroom often felt less than sanitary. After learning about toilet plume, I began to pay closer attention to my own habits. I started closing the lid before flushing, and I encouraged my family to do the same. The difference was remarkable. Not only did it help keep the bathroom cleaner, but it also provided peace of mind, knowing that we were minimizing the risk of spreading germs. For seniors, the health benefits of this simple practice are significant. By closing the toilet lid, they can reduce their exposure to harmful bacteria that could lead to infections or illnesses. This small action contributes to a cleaner bathroom environment, which is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. Additionally, a tidy and hygienic bathroom can enhance the quality of life, providing a sense of comfort and safety in a space that is often used multiple times a day. In conclusion, closing the toilet lid before flushing is a vital habit that should not be overlooked. It helps contain the spread of bacteria, promotes a cleaner bathroom, and ultimately supports the health of seniors. By adopting this practice, we can all contribute to a safer and more hygienic living environment. Adopting the quick habit of wiping down the sink daily can make a significant difference in maintaining a clean and inviting bathroom. This simple practice helps prevent grime and buildup, which can accumulate quickly in a space that is frequently used. When we neglect to clean the sink regularly, soap scum, toothpaste residue, and water spots can create an unsightly mess that requires more time and effort to remove later. By taking just a few moments each day to wipe down the sink, we can keep it looking fresh and hygienic, making our daily routines more pleasant. If you're finding these tips helpful so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We share practical strategies tailored to seniors that promote safety, independence, and well-being at home. Your support helps us reach more people and keep creating content that matters. One inspiring success story comes from a senior named Margaret, who decided to incorporate this habit into her daily routine. After struggling with the buildup in her bathroom sink for years, she realized that a quick wipe down could save her time and frustration. Margaret committed to using a microfiber cloth and a gentle cleaner each morning after brushing her teeth. Within just a week, she noticed a remarkable difference. The sink remained spotless, and she no longer felt embarrassed when guests visited. Margaret found that this small change not only improved the appearance of her bathroom but also boosted her confidence in managing her home. The ease and efficiency of this cleaning method cannot be overstated. Wiping down the sink takes only a minute or two, making it a manageable task even for those with limited mobility or energy. By integrating this quick habit into their daily routine, seniors can maintain a cleaner bathroom without feeling overwhelmed by extensive cleaning sessions. Moreover, this practice fosters a sense of accomplishment and control over their living environment. Looking to improve safety while keeping your bathroom spotless? We recommend this top-rated anti-slip mat designed specifically for seniors. It helps prevent slips and falls, is easy to clean, and stays in place without curling. Click the link in the description below this video to learn more. As an Amazon associate, we earn from qualifying purchases at no extra cost to you. Preventing mold on shower curtains is essential for maintaining a clean and healthy bathroom environment. One effective solution is the monthly spray method, which involves using a mixture of bleach and water to keep mold at bay. To create this solution, simply mix 1 part bleach with 3 parts water in a spray bottle. Once prepared, spray the mixture generously on the shower curtain, ensuring that you cover all areas, especially the bottom where mold tends to thrive. Allow the solution to sit for about 10 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. This method not only helps to eliminate existing mold, but also acts as a preventive measure, keeping your shower curtain fresh and clean for weeks. Maintaining a fresh and clean shower curtain has numerous benefits. A mold-free curtain not only enhances the overall appearance of your bathroom but also contributes to a healthier living space. Mold can trigger allergies and respiratory issues, particularly in seniors or those with weakened immune systems. By regularly treating your shower curtain, you can significantly reduce the risk of mold-related health problems, ensuring a safer environment for everyone in the household. I can personally attest to the effectiveness of this tip. In the past, I struggled with a moldy shower curtain that seemed to require constant scrubbing and replacement. After adopting the monthly spray method, I noticed a dramatic reduction in mold growth. Not only did this save me time on cleaning, but it also eliminated the need for frequent purchases of new curtains. Instead of spending hours scrubbing or dealing with the unpleasant sight of mold, I now enjoy a fresh and inviting shower space with minimal effort. This simple yet effective solution has transformed my bathroom routine, allowing me to focus on more enjoyable activities rather than tedious cleaning tasks. In conclusion, the monthly spray method is a practical approach to preventing mold on shower curtains, promoting both cleanliness and health in your bathroom. Considering bamboo toilet paper is a worthwhile choice that offers numerous benefits over traditional toilet paper. One of the most significant advantages of bamboo is its sustainability. Bamboo is a fast-growing grass that can be harvested without killing the plant, making it an eco-friendly alternative to conventional toilet paper, which often comes from trees that take years to mature. By choosing bamboo, you are supporting a more sustainable industry that helps reduce deforestation and promotes environmental health. For seniors, the health advantages of bamboo toilet paper are particularly noteworthy. Bamboo is naturally hypoallergenic and free from harmful chemicals, dyes, and fragrances that are often found in traditional toilet paper. This makes it a gentler option for sensitive skin, reducing the risk of irritation or allergic reactions. Additionally, bamboo toilet paper is biodegradable, which means it breaks down more easily in landfills, contributing to a cleaner environment. This is especially important for seniors who may be more conscious of their health and the impact of their choices on the planet. From my personal observations, switching to bamboo toilet paper has also improved the overall cleanliness of my bathroom. Unlike traditional toilet paper, which can leave behind dust and lint, bamboo toilet paper tends to be softer and more absorbent, resulting in a cleaner experience. I've noticed less dust accumulating in the bathroom, which is beneficial for everyone, particularly seniors who may have respiratory sensitivities. The reduced dust means a fresher environment, contributing to better air quality and overall comfort. In conclusion, I encourage viewers to consider making the switch to bamboo toilet paper. Not only does it offer significant environmental benefits, but it also provides health advantages for seniors and enhances the cleanliness of your bathroom. By choosing bamboo, you are making a positive impact on both your health and the planet, all while enjoying a superior product that promotes a more sustainable lifestyle. Switching to liquid soap is an idea worth considering, especially for those looking to simplify their cleaning routines and maintain a tidier bathroom. One of the primary issues with bar soap is that it often contributes to soap scum buildup. When bar soap is used, it can leave behind a residue that combines with minerals in the water, creating a sticky film that clings to sinks, shower walls, and bathtubs. This soap scum not only detracts from the cleanliness of your bathroom but also requires more frequent and intensive cleaning to remove, which can be a hassle for anyone, particularly seniors. In contrast, liquid soap offers a more convenient and cleaner alternative. Because it is dispensed in a pump or squeeze bottle, liquid soap minimizes the mess associated with bar soap. There's no need to worry about soap dishes that can accumulate water and grime, as liquid soap typically comes in a container that can be easily wiped down. This ease of use makes it simpler to keep the bathroom clean, as there's less chance of soap residue building up in the first place. Additionally, liquid soap often comes in a variety of formulations, including antibacterial options, which can further enhance hygiene. I can personally attest to the benefits of switching to liquid soap. After years of dealing with the constant battle against soap scum from bar soap, I decided to make the change. I opted for a gentle, moisturizing liquid soap that not only felt great on my skin but also significantly reduced the mess in my bathroom. Since making the switch, I've noticed a remarkable decrease in soap scum buildup, which has made cleaning much easier and less time-consuming. My bathroom now feels fresher and more inviting, and I spend less time scrubbing surfaces. In summary, switching to liquid soap can simplify your cleaning routine, reduce soap scum, and enhance the overall cleanliness of your bathroom. Using a removable shower head can significantly enhance both cleaning and personal care routines, making it a valuable addition to any bathroom. One of the primary benefits of a removable shower head is its ability to simplify cleaning tasks. With the flexibility to detach the shower head, you can easily direct water to hard-to-reach areas, such as the corners of the shower or the walls, ensuring a thorough rinse that helps prevent soap scum and mildew buildup. This convenience not only makes cleaning more efficient but also encourages regular maintenance, leading to a fresher and more hygienic shower environment. A compelling story comes from a senior named Helen, who recently upgraded her bathroom with a removable shower head. Helen had been struggling with limited mobility, making it difficult for her to clean her shower effectively. After installing the new shower head, she found it transformative. The ability to easily maneuver the shower head allowed her to clean her shower with minimal effort, and she could also use it for personal care, such as rinsing her hair or washing her body without straining. Helen expressed how this simple change made her feel more independent and empowered, as she could maintain her hygiene without relying on others for help. In addition to simplifying cleaning and personal care, a removable shower head provides enhanced safety and convenience. For seniors, the ability to adjust the height and angle of the shower head can reduce the risk of slips and falls, as they can sit on a shower bench while still enjoying a comfortable shower experience. The convenience of being able to direct water exactly where it's needed also minimizes the chances of water splashing outside the shower area, keeping the bathroom safer and drier. In summary, a removable shower head offers numerous benefits, from simplifying cleaning and personal care to enhancing safety and convenience. For seniors like Helen, this upgrade can be life-changing, promoting independence and a greater sense of well-being in their daily routines. Advocating for the use of anti-slip mats in bathrooms is essential for promoting safety, especially for seniors and individuals with mobility challenges. One of the primary safety benefits of using rubber or silicone mats is their ability to provide a stable, non-slip surface that significantly reduces the risk of slips and falls. Bathrooms can be particularly hazardous due to wet surfaces, and a high-quality anti-slip mat can offer the traction needed to prevent accidents. By placing these mats in areas such as the shower, bathtub, and near the sink, you create a safer environment that fosters confidence and independence in daily routines. In addition to their safety features, anti-slip mats are also easy to clean and maintain. Most rubber or silicone mats can be quickly rinsed off or wiped down with a mild cleaner, making it simple to keep them hygienic. Unlike traditional fabric mats that can harbor mold and mildew, rubber and silicone mats are resistant to moisture and can dry quickly, ensuring a cleaner bathroom environment. This ease of maintenance is particularly beneficial for seniors who may find it challenging to manage extensive cleaning tasks. I can personally attest to the advantages of upgrading to a silicone mat in my own bathroom. After experiencing a few close calls with slipping on wet tiles, I decided it was time to make a change. I purchased a high-quality silicone mat and placed it in the shower. The difference was remarkable. Not only did the mat provide a secure footing while showering, but it also added a touch of style to the bathroom with its sleek design. Cleaning the mat has been a breeze. I simply rinse it off after each use and it dries quickly, maintaining a fresh appearance. In conclusion, using anti-slip mats in bathrooms is a proactive measure that enhances safety and promotes peace of mind. With their ease of cleaning and maintenance, these mats are an excellent investment for anyone looking to create a safer, more comfortable bathroom environment. Creating a portable cleaning caddy is a fantastic way to simplify the cleaning process and enhance efficiency in your home. A cleaning caddy allows you to gather all your essential cleaning supplies in one convenient container, making it easy to transport them from room to room. This eliminates the need to search for various products scattered throughout the house, saving you valuable time and energy. With everything you need at your fingertips, you can tackle cleaning tasks more effectively and with less hassle. Having your cleaning supplies organized and accessible is crucial for maintaining a streamlined cleaning routine. A well-stocked caddy can include items such as all-purpose cleaners, sponges, microfiber cloths, brushes, and gloves. By keeping these supplies together, you can quickly grab what you need without wasting time rummaging through cabinets or closets. This organization not only makes the cleaning process more efficient but also encourages you to clean more frequently, as you won't be deterred by the thought of gathering supplies. From my personal experience, adopting the habit of using a portable cleaning caddy has significantly improved my cleaning efficiency. Initially, I would often find myself overwhelmed by the thought of cleaning because I had to gather supplies from various locations. However, once I created my caddy, I noticed a remarkable difference. I could easily move from room to room, tackling one area after another without interruption. The caddy also served as a visual reminder to clean, making it easier to incorporate cleaning into my daily routine. Moreover, having everything organized in one place has made it easier to involve family members in cleaning tasks. They can quickly grab the caddy and know exactly where to find the supplies they need. In conclusion, creating a portable cleaning caddy is a simple yet effective strategy that can transform your cleaning experience. By keeping your supplies organized and accessible, you'll find that cleaning becomes less of a chore and more of a manageable task, ultimately leading to a cleaner and more inviting home. However, even the cleanest bathrooms can feel overwhelming if the rest of your home is filled with clutter. That's why in the next video, we'll guide you through the process of decluttering step by step with tips designed specifically for seniors. From handling sentimental items to setting achievable goals, we'll show you how to create a space that feels open, safe, and peaceful. Click the small image on the screen to continue the journey. See you there.